Hi guys, welcome back to BB Essentials. Thank you for watching my videos, and for my new friends, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. Today is gonna be very fun. It's gonna be a patio chair. I'm upgrading my backyard, so stay with me. You guys gonna see from start to finish how I get the chairs done and how I decorate my backyard. Alright guys, thank you. Let's have some fun now.
So this is the chair. I'm not done yet. I still need to sand it down and color it. So let me know what you think. This is it. Let me know what you guys think.
Okay, now guys, we are all done. We're gonna let it dry. Please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. You don't want to miss my videos. Hit the bell. Bye bye.